What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. There's only a couple days left in 2019 and I'm finally relaxing after the holidays. I hosted both Christmas Eve and Christmas at my house, so you know that I am feeling exhausted, but I'm excited because, like I said, it's Saturday and we have some really fun things going on. Tonight, I was invited to a Let's Get Elfed Up drinking party, so I can't wait to go. Me and my hubby are gonna be attending, and for sure we're gonna be wearing some cute Christmas outfits. As you can see, I am totally not ready yet, but I'm gonna be showering in a little bit, putting on some makeup and a cute outfit, and then we're gonna go party. I think we're gonna be Ubering because we're gonna be drinking, and you know, no drinking and driving. So yeah, we can turn up. And I have been a little sick for 4 weeks. I had bronchitis. My voice is still recovering a little bit, but I'm finally better, and so now I can officially have my first drink of the holidays, and it's what December 28th. So finally getting my drink on a little bit, and I can't wait. But the question is, what should I wear tonight? Like, my boo said that he wants to wear our red and green velour tracksuits that we got from Walmart that have this cute little sequin Rudolph on the back, but I'm thinking that it might be a little hot because there's gonna be a lot of people at the party, and we're in Miami, so even though it's December, it's still hot. And plus, I was thinking I want to wear something cuter because I do have a couple of items that I have yet to wear from Fashion Nova, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna go with a black leather look, or the shiny leather, like the latex look leather, a bodysuit with this cute leather skirt, and maybe some over-the-knee boots. I don't know, something really vampy and cute. So tune in, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I can't wait to see you guys when I'm getting ready. It's gonna be fun. Christmas time is here. Okay, well, Christmas is over, but yeah, it's still the holidays, so whatevs. Hey, what's up, you guys? So I'm here running a really quick mission right before the Let's Get Elfed Up party. You know, I'm gonna be smoking on something tonight, so I think I'm definitely gonna pick up a grape swisher and roll something up because it just burns so much better at a party, and I love a good grape swisher. It's a special treat for me. I don't usually smoke those kinds of things, so for sure I'm gonna pick up one of those. And then I think I'm gonna also pick up a Tweezy, a 12-pack for me and my man. He likes Heineken, but I like Miller Lite, so I think we're gonna compromise and we're gonna get a Tweezy of Heineken Light. So yeah, I mean, I wonder how lit the party is gonna be tonight. So yeah, I'll see you guys after I come back from the liquor store and I have all my stuff. Bad news, no Heineken Light. Got the Tweezy of Heineken, and let me show you what else I got. Like I said, I was gonna get some Dutches, so I got a grape Dutch, a wrap actually, and I got a Atomic Fusion Dutch, and both come with 2. And then this was on sale, and it was only $8.99, Banana Bacardi. So you know I had to try this one out. Expertly blended for character and flavor, rum with natural banana flavor. Fuego. Anyways, I'm about to go back to the house and shower and get ready already because now we're in a little bit of a time crunch, and I don't want to be rushing getting ready. Actually see.
But when you don't use the camera, use the mirror that I have. But when you don't use the camera, use the mirror that I have. Oh, they're cool.
Nothing like watching watching a depressing crime show while you're getting ready to go out. Right, babe? This guy is, I mean, I'm glad that he did, but he's such an idiot. Like, they had no evidence against him. He totally confessed himself, brought him to the body, and now he's getting charged. It's like, do people not understand? You know what it is? The guilt, they can't take it. When people kill someone, they can't take the guilt. It eats at you. Like, you can't live with yourself.
I mean...
And so, even though you're not caught, you confess, because you can't take it.
I mean, who can take that? I mean, why you shouldn't do that in the first place, dude.
No, but I mean, like, people could get away with stuff, but they don't, because they...
Why would you do that?
Because they cannot live with themselves.
Yeah, of course they cannot live with themselves. What happened? This guy, what?
He raped her, and then, she woke up like she was drugged, but he raped her.
Yeah.
And then he killed her because she was attacking him. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You're charged.
Was it his girlfriend?
I don't know. I missed the beginning of the show. Oh my god. In the freezer. What a sicko. Any girl, babe. Doesn't matter who it is.
Oh, what? He kidnapped her?
I didn't see the beginning of the show, babe. She was drunk.
Oh, yeah.
He was on the run for like 6 months. Like, not on the run, but the cops kept pulling him in, but they didn't have evidence, and he was like, oh, well, if you don't have anything, then, you know, I'm gonna leave. But then they got him on, like, a drug charge for something else, and then, you know, he started talking. Because he was just guilty as shit. Okay. The whole outfit is from Fashion Nova. The top is a bodysuit mixed with a high waist skirt, and then the bottoms are over the knee boots.